Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the %SQRT function, which calculates the square root of a numeric expression on the IBM I platform. The %SQRT function returns the square root of a specified numeric expression. If the operand is of type float, the result is also float. Otherwise, the result is in packed decimal format. Let's take a look at its syntax, %SQRT numeric expression. Here, numeric expression is the value for which we want to find the square root. Now, let's see an example in action. In this example, we declare n as a zoned decimal variable. We assign the square root of 239874 using %SQRT to n. Then, we display the result using dsply. When we run this program, the output displayed as square root of 239874 is 489. That concludes our overview of the %SQRT function in IBM I. It's a straightforward way to compute square roots, handling different numeric types and ensuring precision. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %SQRT bolt-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM I insight.